Schedule N is limit of minimum equipment for the efficient running of pharmacy. Schedule O is standard for disinfectant fluids. Schedule P is life period of drugs, that is expiry date. Storage condition also they provided. And schedule P1 is pack size, that is dosage form and quantity. Then schedule Q is list of dye, color and pigment permitted to be used in cosmetics and soap. Then these are the common name of the color and chemical name of the color with color index number. Then list of colors permitted to be used in soap. Schedule R is for standards for condoms made of rubber, latex intended for single use and other mechanical contraceptives. Annexure 1 is sampling plan for quality control. Annexure 2, then Annexure 3, sampling plan for bursting volume and pressure test. Then Annexure 4, determination of bursting volume and pressure. Annexure 5 is oven conditioning. Annexure 6 is standards for copper T, standards for contraceptive tubal ring. Then schedule R1, schedule S is standard for cosmetics. Then schedule T is good manufacturing practice for Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani medicine. Then schedule TA, form for record of utilization of raw material by Ayurveda or Siddha or Unani licensed manufacturing unit during the financial year. Schedule U1, particular to be shown in manufacturing record. Schedule V, standard for patent or proprietary medicine. Schedule X, drug. These are also sedatives. Then schedule Y is a requirement and guideline for permission to import and or manufacture of new drug for sale or to undertake clinical trial. So if you want to conduct clinical trial, you have to follow schedule Y. It is amended now. You will see that in a while. Then Appendix 1A, data required to be submitted by applicant for grant of permission to import or manufacture a new drug already approved in the country. Data to be submitted along with application to conduct clinical trial or import or manufacture of phytopharmaceutical. data generated by the applicant. Appendix 2 is structure, contents, and format for clinical study report. Then Appendix 3 is animal toxicology. Appendix 4 is for animal pharmacology. Then Appendix 5 is informed consent. Appendix 6 is fixed dose combination. Then Appendix 7 is undertaking by the investigator. Then Appendix 8 is ethics committee. Format for according approval to clinical trial protocol by ethics committee. The ethics committee provides the approval. Then stability testing of new drug is in Appendix 9. These are inside Schedule Y. Then Appendix 10, content of the proposed protocol for conducting clinical trials. Appendix 11, data element for reporting serious adverse events occurring in clinical trial.